Hello, Gloria Brooks here with Nature Glow's eScience. Today I want to talk about having the homeschool math is everywhere mindset. So when you are stuck in the mindset that math can only be learned incrementally, step by step, I like to say lock step by step, using the traditional mindset of, learning the basic maths first, then the higher maths and beyond. Math has so many different branches. There's computer science, there's the computational math, which is mostly what kids learn in elementary school. But when you step outside of the box of all that and realize that math is everywhere around you, from the air that you breathe, to the ground that you walk in, everything can be described mathematically. And you put on your math glasses. It's really beautiful. And then you just kind of come to realize in amazement at how marvelously ordered, all of this, the universe is. And it just brings this awe and wonder, whether you have a faith background or non-faith background. It just is a universal awe and wonder at how ordered everything really is. So my first introduction to this math is everywhere was, and I've told this story before if you've watched my videos before, but I was 23 years old, I think I was 24 at the time, when for the very first time I was introduced to this awesome realization that math is really everywhere and beautiful. So it was through a Time Life hardback at a book sale. And I think I bought the book for, 50 cents, $1. Not much more than that. And I wish I still have it. Someday I'm going to go back and get it. I'm going to get it on Amazon or eBay. I think it's probably cheaper on eBay. But when I thumbed through that book and was introduced to concepts like the golden ratio and Fibonacci numbers and both sets of numbers, both sequences have a relationship with each other. The golden ratio, when you add two numbers next to each other, give you the next number. 0 and 1 is 1. 1 and 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. And on it goes. 1.618 is how it's the famous, with the dot after it. Or phi. Some people call it phi, but phi is what I call it. And phi is found in the spiral turns in pine cones and sunflower seed heads. So what that spiral represents, though, is growth, and then the spiral is a symbol of growth. And growth is something that's always happening. Constantly we are growing and changing. It's just part of existence in life. And there it just spills into something else, into, the spiritual aspect of life, the spirit aspect of life. So really what I want to introduce, or maybe speak to the choir about, those of you who are already in the math is everywhere mindset, if you are not, I hope that this video can really inspire you. And I have something for you coming out very soon. I have boiled down and written in a 38-page, one sitting read, or two sittings perhaps, 1 or 2 hours, depending on how fast you read. There's no race. But I have written a guide called Math Learning Secrets. And it's my 5 secrets math learning system, connecting real life math with fun and learning in math, with special focus on the natural world. So this is my system boiled down into 5 pillar secrets, and I will be releasing the Math is Learning Secrets Guide here very soon. So I will be talking about it every day until I release it. Really super excited about it. It's something that I've been developing since 2003, and I share my story in more detail in that guide, along with the secrets to help you in your homeschool liberate your math to not be dry, boring, dusty, textbook based, but to be a living, breathing, exciting, fascinating thing in your lives that brings everything to life and into this world of wonder and adventure. And literally, I have been on this adventure with math since 2003 when it was first introduced. Well, actually, it was 1997, the summer of 1997, that I was introduced to the living math. It's called different things. Living math. I call it math art. That's the name that I have dubbed this math is everywhere concept. All right, so click the link that I give to you with this post for my unit study planner. That will put you on my email list or my wait list so that you'll be the first to hear when I release the Math is Learning Everywhere Guide, or Math is Learning Secrets Guide. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you're here on YouTube, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, ding that little bell so that you hear when I put out my next video. Give me a like, and also scroll on down and give me a comment. Share with me how you perceive math. Where are you on the spectrum of seeing math is everywhere? What is your mindset? And don't be afraid to share the good, the bad, the ugly. If you're struggling, if your kids are struggling, share that below. I want to hear your thoughts. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now.